Yo, what's up everybody? It's your tech man MKBHD here, and let me tell you, the ROG Phone 9 Pro is on a whole new level. This isn't just another smartphone release, this is a game changer in every sense of the word. From the moment you pick it up, you can feel the difference. The build quality is top-notch, and it feels like a premium device in your hands. But what really sets it apart is what's under the hood. We're talking about a device that's been engineered from the ground up to deliver the ultimate gaming experience. And trust me, it does not disappoint. This ain't just a phone, it's a beast. With its cutting-edge processor and high refresh rate display, the ROG Phone 9 Pro is designed to handle the most demanding games with ease. Whether you're into fast-paced shooters or immersive RPGs, this phone has got you covered. And let's not forget about the battery life. With a massive battery, you can game for hours on end without worrying about running out of juice. Plus, the fast charging feature means you can get back to gaming in no time. First thing you notice? That crazy LED screen on the back. It's not just for show, it's fully customizable, allowing you to personalize your device like never before. You can set it to display notifications, game stats, or even your favorite animations. It's a small touch, but it adds a whole new level of cool to the device. And when you're in the heat of battle, those visual cues can be a game changer. Yeah, you heard right, it's lit, literally. The LED screen isn't just a gimmick, it's a functional feature that enhances your gaming experience. Imagine getting real-time notifications or game alerts without having to look away from the action. It's these little details that make the ROG Phone 9 Pro stand out from the crowd. And let's be honest, it just looks cool. We've seen gaming phones before, but this one's different. It's not just about raw power, it's about the complete package. From the ergonomic design that feels great in your hands to the advanced cooling system that keeps the device running smoothly, every aspect of the ROG Phone 9 Pro has been meticulously crafted to deliver the best possible gaming experience. And it shows. This ain't just about flashing lights, it's about taking mobile gaming to a whole new dimension. The ROG Phone 9 Pro is packed with features that make it a true gaming powerhouse. From the high refresh rate display that delivers silky smooth visuals to the advanced haptic feedback that makes every action feel more immersive, this phone is designed to make you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. And with its powerful speakers, you'll be fully immersed in the game world, whether you're playing solo or with friends. It's about making a statement. This is gaming. The ROG Phone 9 Pro isn't just a device, it's a declaration of your passion for gaming. It's a statement that you're serious about your gaming experience and that you demand the best. And with its sleek design and powerful performance, it's sure to turn heads wherever you go. Whether you're at a gaming convention or just hanging out with friends, this phone is guaranteed to make an impression. And trust me, this phone ain't messing around. With its top-of-the-line specs and innovative features, the ROG Phone 9 Pro is built to handle anything you throw at it. Whether you're playing the latest AAA titles or streaming your gameplay to your followers, this phone has the power and performance to keep up. And with its robust build quality, you can be sure it's built to last. It's packing some serious heat under the hood, ready to handle anything you throw at it. The advanced cooling system ensures that the phone stays cool even during intense gaming sessions, so you can keep playing without any performance drops. And with its high-performance specifications, you can be sure that this phone will be able to handle the most demanding games and applications with ease. So, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the future of mobile gaming, and spoiler alert, it looks pretty awesome. The ROG Phone 9 Pro is more than just a phone, it's a glimpse into the future of mobile gaming. With its innovative features and powerful performance, it's setting a new standard for what a gaming phone can be. So get ready, because the future of mobile gaming is here, and it's looking brighter than ever. Alright, let's talk about this LED screen because it's dope. This isn't just any ordinary screen, it's a game changer. Imagine having a screen that not only displays your game in stunning detail but also reacts to your every move. It's like the screen is alive, breathing with the rhythm of your gameplay. The colors are vibrant, the details are sharp, and the experience is immersive. It's like stepping into a whole new world every time you pick up your phone. It's not just a gimmick, it actually adds to the gaming experience. Think about it. When you're deep into a game, every little detail matters. The LED screen enhances those details, making every moment more intense, more thrilling. It's like having a mini theater in your hands. The screen adapts to the game, changing colors and brightness to match the action. It's not just about playing a game, it's about living it. You can customize it to react to in-game events, notifications, even your music. Imagine your screen lighting up with every notification, or pulsing to the beat of your favorite song. It's not just a screen, it's an extension of your personality. You can set it to display different colors for different notifications, or even create custom animations. It's all about making your phone truly yours. Imagine your phone lighting up in sync with your victory dance after you dominate in Call of Duty. The screen flashes with every shot, glows with every explosion, and celebrates with you when you win. It's like having a personal cheerleader in your pocket. The LED screen makes every victory sweeter, every defeat more bearable. It's not just about playing a game, it's about experiencing it in a whole new way. That's what I'm talking about. It's all about immersion, man. When you're playing a game, you want to be completely absorbed in it. The LED screen helps you do that. It draws you in, makes you feel like you're part of the action. It's not just a screen, it's a portal to another world. The more immersive the experience, the more enjoyable the game. And with this LED screen, the immersion is off the charts. But it gets even better. You can program the LED screen to display custom logos, animations, even create your own little light shows. Talk about personalization, right? You can make your phone truly unique, a reflection of your style and personality. Whether it's a custom logo for your favorite team, an animation that makes you smile, or a light show that dazzles your friends, the possibilities are endless. It's not just about having a cool screen, it's about having a screen that's uniquely yours. This ain't just a phone, it's a canvas for your creativity. And the possibilities? Endless. You can turn your phone into a work of art, a statement piece that stands out from the crowd. The LED screen is your palette, and you are the artist. Whether you're a gamer, a music lover, or just someone who loves cool tech, this screen has something for you. It's not just about functionality, it's about expression. So go ahead, light up your game and let your creativity shine. Now let's get down to business. This phone is built for gaming and it shows. We're talking top-of-the-line Snapdragon processor, Adreno GPU, crazy amounts of RAM. This thing flies. No lag, no stutter, just pure unadulterated gaming bliss. I tested it with all the latest games, Genshin Impact, Fortnite, PUBG, you name it. This phone chewed them up and spat them out. And the graphics, don't even get me started. The display is buttery smooth with a high refresh rate that makes everything look crisp and fluid. It's like having a console in your pocket. Now, all this power is great, but what about battery life? Don't worry, ROG got you covered. They packed this phone with a massive battery that'll last you all day, even with heavy gaming. And when it's time to recharge, their fast charging tech will get you back in the game in no time. We're talking from 0 to hero in like an hour. Crazy, right? No more worrying about your phone dying in the middle of a boss fight. This phone can handle your marathon gaming sessions. No sweat. Section 5. Value. You get what you pay for. Okay, let's talk price. This phone ain't cheap. It's a premium device and it comes with a premium price tag. But here's the thing. You get what you pay for. This phone is an investment. It's an investment in the best mobile gaming experience you can get. It's an investment in cutting-edge technology and innovation. So, is it worth it? If you're serious about mobile gaming, absolutely. This phone is a game changer. Literally. Section 6. The future of gaming in your pocket. The ROG 9 Pro is more than just a phone, it's a glimpse into the future of gaming. Imagine a world where your smartphone is not just a communication device, but a powerful gaming console that fits right in your pocket. The ROG 9 Pro is designed to bring that vision to life, a future where mobile gaming isn't just an alternative, but a primary platform for gamers around the world. Picture yourself in a mobile gaming tournament, competing with players globally, all from the convenience of your handheld device. It's the main event. With its powerful hardware, the ROG 9 Pro ensures that you experience gaming like never before. High-end graphics, seamless performance, and immersive gameplay are no longer confined to traditional consoles or PCs. Innovative features and a stunning display make every game come to life. The ROG 9 Pro's screen is designed to provide vibrant colors and sharp details, making your gaming experience visually spectacular. The ROG 9 Pro is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in mobile gaming. Its advanced features, such as enhanced cooling systems and customizable controls, ensure that you stay ahead in every game. It's showing the world that mobile gaming is here to stay. More and more gamers are turning to their smartphones for a complete gaming experience, and the ROG 9 Pro is leading this revolution. And it's only going to get bigger and better. Competitive mobile gaming is on the rise, with events and tournaments drawing huge crowds and offering substantial prizes. The ROG 9 Pro is at the forefront of this exciting trend. This phone is just the beginning. As we continue to innovate and push the limits of technology, the future of mobile gaming looks incredibly promising. The ROG 9 Pro is setting the stage for what's to come. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more groundbreaking developments in mobile gaming. From augmented reality to virtual reality, the possibilities are endless. Who knows what the future holds for mobile gaming? One thing's for sure, it's going to be epic. The ROG 9 Pro is just the beginning of an exciting journey into the future of gaming. So, get ready to experience the future of gaming right in your pocket. With the ROG 9 Pro, the future is now. Reminder that the future is closer than we think, and it's going to be amazing. Section 8, ROG 9 Pro, the verdict. So there you have it, folks, the ROG 9 Pro, a phone that's not afraid to push boundaries and redefine what's possible. It's a phone for the gamers, the creators, the innovators. It's a phone for those who demand the best and refuse to settle for anything less. It's the future of mobile gaming, and it's here. Peace out.